Hello everybody, how are you? I'm fine, I'm Anna and here for another Welsh lesson for today from Conway in North Wales, and we're going to be looking all around and looking at the castle and the smallest house in Great Britain and some other things. So come and join us, you're very welcome. There's castle, and remember in Welsh castle is castell, car is car, and we'll go over a few more things. Castle by the sea is Castell Mawr. Remember that we've said before that wall is wal and castle walls, because walls is waliau, so castle walls is waliau castell. Now in Conway, the whole town is built within the walls of Conway, and we're going to be looking at the town and seeing what we can find to teach you. Old house in Welsh is hen du. This house, PLAS Mawr, is owned by Cadw and it's meant to be haunted. Street in Welsh is stryd. The castle is near the harbour, and harbour in Welsh is Harbour. Near the harbour is ger Harbour. Fishing boat is Quay Pysgota. At this harbour is the smallest house in Great Britain and in Europe, and the second smallest in the world. And here it is, that red house, and smallest house in Great Britain. Google that or look at our other video on our channel here on Conway, and you'll be able to see it a bit better. The smallest house in Welsh is, if we say smallest house, is Ty Lleiaf, and red in Welsh is coch, so red house would be Ty Coch. There I am at the smallest house, and to say Anna at the smallest house, you'd say Anna yn y Ty Lleiaf. Anna yn y Ty Lleiaf. Now we are walking on the castle walls, and to say walking on the castle walls in Welsh is cerdded ar waliau'r castell. Cerdded ar waliau'r castell. I'm walking to the castle in Welsh is rwy'n cerdded i'r castell. Rwy'n cerdded i'r castell. And that's it for today. We'll leave it there. I'll leave you with some photographs all around Conway and the castle and the harbour and the smallest house in Conway. We've had a great time today. So we'll leave it there and we'll say ta-ta for now, and we'll see you on the next adventure or the next Welsh lesson. Now don't forget to keep practicing, because practice makes perfect. We'll see you soon. Ta-ta for now. Nos da.